Hello, yes, good morning. This is a good morning Tuesday. So this is the finished cooked chicken. So this is the empanada pisanada. So the next is pork. So this is for the canteen and for the delivery as also. So, yummy, crunchy, and delicious. But ito is for 30 pesos only. So, masarap, sulit talaga yung pera mo sa 30 pesos. Sa Mr. Empanada